Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser, and I have a question for you about what happens or doesn't happen inside your bedroom. And I know, wait, it's not the question you may be afraid I'm going to ask. It's this question. Do you ever find yourself lying in bed next to your snoring spouse and you think, where's the thrill gone? And we used to have so much more fun, and we rarely have sex anymore. And the worst one, I love them, but I don't think I'm in love with them anymore. If so, I have 3 very important words for you. You are normal, but don't take my word for it. I have an upcoming workshop for couples. You can choose a time and join me below. And I taught the same workshop last year, and I pulled over 700 couples just like you. And here's what they told me. I already knew it because this is my field, but it may surprise and reassure you to hear that only 8% of those 700 couples said they had a great sex life. Only 13% of them said they still felt that thrill, that excitement, that whoa, when their sweetheart walked in the room. You know how your dog jumps up and down and freaks out? We want to feel that again. Almost all the couples who attended my free workshop said, we're bored. We don't have a lot of fun. We're great parents and roommates and we run things well, but we are not having the spark, the coupledom, the romance, the sexuality, and the fun that we crave to have. My job is to help you move your relationship from where it is right now to where you want it to be. Now, a very good question is, well, who are you, Dr. Cheryl, and why should we listen to you? I appreciate that question and I commend you for asking it. By training, I'm a clinical psychologist. I'm a sex therapist. I'm an author of the book Buddha's Bedroom, Create Passion That Lasts a Lifetime. And I've been an invited guest speaker for some of the tops in the world. I had the pleasure of teaching in Hawaii for Tony Robbins at his VIP Passion and Sex event for couples. And I was the invited guest speaker for Jack Canfield of Chicken Soup for the Soul fame, again, on the topic of love and sex and what makes great relationships succeed or fail. So I really know a thing or two. And I also know because I'm a human being and I'm a partner and I've had a tattered history of broken relationships in my past, even when I was making my living as a love expert. I'm in my second marriage now, 7 years in, and we practice the very things I'll be teaching you in this free couples workshop. I call it the Passion Masterclass, and I'll be teaching you what I call the 3 keys to passion. These are the 3 sets of tools and skills that exceptional couples learn and apply. Exceptional couples are rare. Let's be honest. Think about your life and your circle right now. How many couples do you know that are on fire if they've been seeing each other for more than a year or 2? Long-term love is a hard gig. Falling in love is easy. Keeping the passion, the thrill, and the fun alive takes effort and training, just like everything else we do that's important to us. Being a great parent, being a great cook, and certainly being good at our career or our hobbies. So join me, pick the time that shows best for you, show up live, bring your partner if at all possible, otherwise you can fill them in after, and bring a pen and pencil and paper. You're going to want to write stuff down, and bring your questions about your unique relationship struggles so I can help you right away. At the end of my teaching on the 3 keys to passion, I'll talk a bit about my upcoming couples immersion program. Some of you may want to join me and do a major renovation on your love affair and really move you in an effective way from where you are to where you want to be. And then I'll stick around for an extensive Q&A. I will stick around till your question is answered so I can help you starting right now to get from A to excellent coupledom. Hey, great love and passion are not an accident. They take training and skill just like everything else. And I want to help you fall in love all over again with the one who's snoring beside you, with the one you're already with. Join me. Can't wait to help you. I'm excited. I'll see you there.